Alright guys, so we're home now. I'm with Grayson. He's got his fishing gear. We're gonna go on my boat and go fishing, but first we gotta put, gotta put this fishing reel onto this rod and take that reel off and
put it in my tackle box.
Throw it away. Alright, let's go do that right now. Alright guys, so we're all set up. We got all of our tackle. Got my tackle here, got his over there. Got gas. And we're gonna go fishing. I'll see you guys when we're on my boat. I'll be on my GoPro. Alright guys, so we didn't catch any fish. It was low tide and then my GoPro died on me. GoPro had died on me. So I didn't have any battery to film our way back or anything. But we went a little farther, tried fishing there, wasn't anything, so we turned back. And then we put the kayaks up and stuff. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Share with your friends if you enjoyed. See you guys in the next one. Peace.